Happy Earth Day from the Tijuana River National Estuary Research Reserve, or Tijuana Estuary for short. We're located in Imperial Beach at the southwest corner of the great state of California. And I'm standing here on the edge of a very healthy salt marsh plant community on this beautiful sunny Earth Day. I hope this Earth Day finds you happy and healthy wherever you are, and that you're able to celebrate in a safe and meaningful way. At the Tijuana Estuary, we strive to celebrate Earth Day every day as we do our part in protecting this natural resource for the health of the planet and for the enjoyment of all. Now, how do we do that? We do that through education programs and public walks and talks and events, and our ongoing research and monitoring through volunteer opportunities and habitat restoration. Now, one of the things that scientists have learned about salt marshes is that they're excellent at taking in carbon dioxide and storing it, we call that sequester, for long periods of time, longer than other plant communities. Now, if we go back and we remember that lesson on photosynthesis, that process that plants do to take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the atmosphere in order to live, that's really great for us that are oxygen breathing beings, but it's also really great for any excess carbon dioxide that's in the atmosphere. And there's been a bit of excess carbon dioxide put into the atmosphere from human activity in recent times, causing what we call climate change. Now, what makes salt marsh plants a bit more special than other plant communities in doing that is that other plant communities take in carbon dioxide, however, a lot of it's released through burning or grazing. But in a salt marsh, this is a very wet habitat. So there's no real burning, there's no grazing, and then a lot of that carbon dioxide is taken into the plant and stored below the ground in this very low-lying plant community. And this can happen for up to decades and even into thousands of years as it's stored in the soil. So that's why salt marsh plant communities are excellent at sequestering that carbon dioxide, which then kind of mitigates or offsets those effects of climate change. So at the Tijuana Estuary, we've been researching and protecting and restoring salt marsh habitat for over 30 years. So that's just one way that we're doing our part in celebrating Earth Day and protecting our planet. And there are so many ways to do that, from at home to on these large-scale efforts. And so I'm just curious how you're celebrating Earth Day today. So happy Earth Day again. Join us for one of our virtual programs. Come visit us on one of our Facebook pages, our Instagram page, or even come for a visit when it's safe to do so in our park. So again, happy Earth Day from the Tijuana Estuary.